G'day guys and girls, welcome back to part 2 of our review series. In front of me you can probably see we have the second part is our battery charging system. Probably wondering why I've got a battery charging system, why I need it, what might benefit you in the long run. We'll go through some fun facts, and actually this one is Kickass's 12 volt battery charger. It is an 8-stage battery charger. It comes to staging of the charger itself. It has 8 stages. Okay. Stage 1 is, I actually don't know how to pronounce that word, disfriation. Oh, fucking hell.
Oh yeah, I could probably help you with that one. It's dissulfation. Dissulfation, you idiot.
Anyway, that's stage 1. Stage 2 is soft charge. Stage 3 is a bulk charge. Stage 4 is absorption. Stage 5 is analysis of the battery. Stage 6 is reconditioning. Stage 7 is charged, and stage 8 is maintenance or maintained of being charged. So for me, this charger is something that I really needed. I currently don't drive the car all the time. I have a work car, and this car, my Patrol, Flick U, as everyone does know, sits there all the time. So when I'm home, the car battery is always on charge, and it currently has a charging battery that maintains an overall decent charge in the battery that doesn't overkill or cook the battery. So I can, next time, start the car, it starts perfectly. This one is a little bit more in depth when it comes to its charging system, and this is why I went with this. Because I don't drive the car as much, my battery, as has happened a couple of times, I've had to jump off the second battery so I could actually get it started. And that's something I don't want to be doing when I'm out in the middle of the bush, or just when I'm about to go for driving or camping or adventuring, or just taking the car out in general. This is my new charger that is about to go on the car, and we'll go into some cool features of what it has, and we'll open the box up and have a look what's inside. I actually have opened the box up, so sorry guys, there's a little tear there. Inside the box itself, it comes with a thank you for purchasing from Kickass. It comes with alligator clips and an Anderson plug, obviously to clip onto the starting battery, which is what I'm charging. You've got your charger, full charging system itself, the Anderson plug on one end, which then obviously clips into this, your power from your house or wherever you are powering, in the shed or wherever else it can be. The nice looking charger itself. So there you go. Overall, I think it's pretty sleek. It's pretty heavy though. For me, my cars currently stay outside, but they're undercover. So I'll have this in the engine bay, obviously with the bonnet down, not fully clipped, but down enough so no dust and anything can get inside it. And this is where this will say. I'm probably on top of the rocket cover where the other one does normally sit. Obviously full charge, and it will be sitting there all the time until my next trip. That's what I normally do for or keeping my batteries in good condition. I know there's a couple of things that I probably should be doing when it comes to that kind of stuff, but there you go. This is an overall look. Inside as well, we have some screws if you do want to mount this somewhere. Obviously, it is probably preferably better to have this inside a shed setup where there's less dust and it can not have too much things get sucked through it, because I did see on these, as there are quite powerful fans, these start to get clogged up with dust, so be careful about that one. And then last but not least, trusty manual. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to read that, but manual, that's what I think of them. But anyway, there's my unboxing. That's what's inside. We're going to clip this onto my car right now, because actually my car has been driven and I haven't had the chance to actually charge it, and I would like to get some charge into it, because the next couple of weeks we're actually going away and we're doing Border Track, and that is a track in Victoria. Excuse me, I'm just excited. Border Track is on the corner of South Australia and Victoria. Fucking aeroplane. So I thought I'd grab my charger, what I'm currently using. Thanks Dad, appreciate it. This is also a smart charger, a little bit smaller, does the same stuff. Tells you what it is, I guess, inside, what the battery is. Charging and full charge, and obviously this is a smart charger as well, so it should continually charge but do the same thing as what this does, a pulsation. But this isn't mine, so I needed to buy my own. Fucking aeroplanes. Like 2 within like 5 minutes. It's off. So on this one I have a quick connect or a format connect, a little plug, which is one of these that just pretty much plugs in, and this goes to my battery, so this is always on the car. So this stays with the car all the time. Very handy, so I may consider changing it over. Well, as it does have an Anderson plug, which I'll try and take off. The Anderson plug with the alligator clips. I could also make my own up and have power negative to my battery with the Anderson clip sitting in the engine bay with a little cover over the top so it doesn't get any dirt and water or whatever else inside it. So then pretty much as soon as I'm coming home, going on charge straight away. And that is it. Sometimes I do forget, and that's okay. That's what happens. We are human, but I do try and do my best and put it on charge whenever I can. So then the next time round, my car is ready for the next trip. This is an overall unboxing of this battery charger. Today I'm about to put it on. It's nice weather for me to be able to get out and actually do some things around the house, plus the patrol. And I'm going to put this on and see how long it takes till it charges. Let it do its thing and see what else I need to learn. Maybe I might read the instruction manual. Probably a good idea. Gives me an understanding of actually how the modes work. For you guys back at home, if you are looking at getting a charger, a battery charging system, or just able to charge your battery in general when you do not use a car, that's if you don't use the car. Even if it doesn't have to be a car, it could be a jet ski, trailer, camper trailer, I don't know, go-kart, something with a battery that you don't use all the time, that needs to be charged, so the next time you do go to use it, it actually is usable. I'll definitely suggest either one or two smart chargers, and the value on this one is $149. So for a charger, that's really cheap, I think, and it's something that should probably have around your shed workspace if you do have workspace, or somewhere so that the trailer or whatever you are currently using to take away time that's on your weekends is use one of these, a charger, a smart charger. Let's dive into me putting it on the car and setting it up so I can go away in the next couple of weeks. And there you go, guys and girls, that's my battery charger install done and ready. A little unboxing there of what's in the box itself, things that I require when it comes to charging my four-wheel drive, my other little things that I have around in my shed, builds, charger kit, definitely worth having on the list. If you enjoyed this one, guys and girls, remember, go smash a like, hit subscribe if you want to. I'll be doing these more often. If you enjoyed this and want to see something else reviewed, drop a comment below. Like, I love comments, they're always good and fun. Another fun one as well, if you are looking at Kickass products, you can also use Kieran 10 at the checkout. Gives you an extra 10% off your purchase, obviously with things that aren't already on special. Another cool thing that I had to get. Until next time, guys, try to remember to always be safe. Try to do some activities. My activity in the next coming weeks is me going away. Just a little small review about chargers and all that kind of fun stuff. Until then, I'll see you around.